Hey, Corsi, start that song over again. I got it. That's what we like to hear. You're all right, you're all right. A little blood. Pretty good. All right, perfect. Now let's go find Corpsey.
All right, now working on those AR slims.
Yeah! It's go time! Let's do this! Woo! Wrong for that!
Oh, that was it!
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. No, you didn't. What size you wear? About to call America and get you hooked up.
All right, let's do this, fool. Doing some nice action out there, babies. Wow. Sick, fool. You like TK? You want to meet him? I know him.
All right, yeah, let's go hit it. Oh, hell yeah! All right, man, I'll call the dudes at Vox and see if I can put you on.
some big air doohickey?
Yo, check this out, man. This is what we built. Look at this line. All the who's of skateboarding right here coming to see us. You did this. Come on, man. Let's get to the front. Let's check this out. Yo, what's up, Cole?
Hey, Retta, what's up?
What's up, Costin?
Man, homie
Hey,
told me this part
Lance. What is up, dog?
Yeah, what's up, Retta?
Joey. Joey, you're just happy to be here, huh, man? Hey, Corpsey, no smoking inside.
Last time I cut my tail off, they grew back.
Lizard, you psychopath.
Oh, what up, Retta?
What's up, man? Look at this guy. Even Rob Dyrdek's had to wait on the line.
This is absolutely insane. Somebody call my publicist.
Yo, it's the boss. What's up, Drew? This is gonna be sick.
Welcome to Hartley Memorial Stadium. I have sleep apnea and narcosis. Woo! Load it up! Alright, we cleared the kooks off the course. Get out there, guys. Kill it! Roll it in. Oh, monster air. Alright, when it counted. Oh, he's just playing mind games with us all day long. Make it real, make it proper, and I don't care if you get arcadey with it. Ah, we got a little blessing from the fart bomb gods. Come on, man. It's gonna be the one. Oh, that's a huge air. Time's up! I think people are watching you start skateboarding. Woo! Meat burgers out there. Let's see something good. Oh, jumping like a bongo. Look at him, killing it. Oh, that's some pickle nugs right there. Ow, one time. Round, oh, you on the water skis. You're in first. Round 2 sees us over on the train. Oh, I hope I see some one foots. It's on. Let's go. Can we see a little repeat action on the round winnage? Marching hard straight out the gates. Look at that dude. Killing it. Oh, smeared. I'm gonna multitask while I announce this. Hang on, just one sec. Yep, throw for first place. Woo! Ain't you fucked out that sticky? Worst to first, look at that! Oh, we got a new leader, JP Patchett. Yeah, that's Rudy tooting my too. Look at you sitting there in first place for a long time. Alright, look at you out there. Super famous, on fire, and done everything. I don't even know why you're in this contest, but hey, thanks for showing up. Alright, I just got an official announcement from Dr. Benny. We're gonna have a safety meeting down by the rocks in a bit. Come on, guys. Catchometer. We're starting at knee, then we go like quattro. That's Japanese for 10 backwards. 3, 2, 1, you're over. Let's focus. Yes, new living legend right up there. For the final round, we're gonna. Underlay, muchachos, it's on.
Here we go.
Woo, the drama builds. Will he do it again? Are we gonna see back-to-back round winner? Versus Coco. Look at that dude killing it.
That's the business.
Big shout out to Monster for making this all happen. Ooh, I tell you what, first place is good for getting the Skateboarding's not about having heroes, but this one, whew, I just caught that. Dudes that like run message boards and then like they're hanging out, they're acting all cool, and then like they look one way for a little while, like a hippie, and then they don't look like a hippie anymore, and everybody just hates them for that. Those dudes suck. Nobody likes them. What? That's what we're talking about. You killing it. Winning. Just keep winning. Stiffy. Stifferatus.
Did you see that?
Yeah, that's it. Oh, that's nice. Knock joke. Starts with 10. Go. Time's up. Get your cat mouse. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, I need new posters. Give me some of that Skrill.
Dude, look at this place. It's so massive. Man, we're gonna get our shred on for sure.